we are here at Hela Sathkaara Bojun Hala. We've got the rice paddies all around us. This is a really special place. We made a video about this last year when we came, but had to do it again because it's just incredible. Not just one of my favorite places in Anuradhapura, not just one of my favorite places in Sri Lanka, but one of my favorite places of everywhere I've eaten at. So let's dig in. It's a buffet, so got some noodles, got some red rice, got some turmeric rice, some string beans, some dal, some jackfruit. We got chicken right here, which I was a vegetarian last time, so I didn't have chicken. Gotu, kola, manioca, which is yuca if you're from Mexico. So let's dive in. All right, I'm gonna do it the right way. So the right way to eat this in Sri Lanka is to put everything right here. You take a little, you put it here, you take a little, you put it here, you take a little, you put it here. You make a little spot to create your bite. Mash it all together. Ah, it's so good. So good. I know this chicken is gonna be ridiculous. Oh. Famous lake fish. Okay, we got that black tea, that blazing hot black tea, which actually helps with the spice. But I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna try a little bite of this lake fish that I've heard so much about. I have a hard time at whole fish. When I was young, my mother made me fish. There was one bone in it. I never ate fish again for like 20 years. And then I came back when I lived in New Orleans because obviously you have to eat it. But this is amazing. Oh, so good. I got a huge plate, so I'm probably going to take a nap after this. Let's bring things in. A little chicken with my bite.
Put some chicken gravy.
Oh, a little chicken gravy. Get everything with the noodles this time. Got a little bite of something spicy, so what do? Take a sip of some blazing hot tea like these maniac Sri Lankans do. Oh God, it's so hot, so good. And the spice goes away, just like that.
What's your favorite? Everything?
It's all my favorite, everything. But yeah, since I've been here, I haven't had manioca or jackfruit, and now I'm getting that, so. When you visit Anuradhapura, do not miss Hela Sathkaara Bojun Hala. You're welcome.